This is the trading review for Tuesday, the 7th of November 2023. And I made goal today, but I did miss out on a couple of entries. I missed out an entry here on Nvidia uh, when we rejected the top of the range from yesterday. We sold off back into the pre-market high, so that could have been a nice entry. And but I was trading it. I will be trading it too much against the gray area pre-market. I mean, the previous day close, the open price, and then we had S1, S2, S3 that could act as support. So that's why I wasn't too crazy making this entry, and we dropped too heavily here back to S4, and I hesitated. On a reversal, you can see here that this was not part of my strategies. Uh, I was just attempting a traverse from S3 to R3 or vice versa, and that didn't happen, but we actually ended up having a nice S4 reversal. As soon as we had this candle close inside the pre-market low, I kind of felt that we had to take it long. So I missed out on that. And then here I just made an entry on this rejection. We had nice couple of, we had three signals here for some resistance. So that's a golden opportunity to make an entry short. And I don't like to trade against the Camarilla pivots. We had a lot of support here, but these signals were simply too strong. And after missing out two trades, I just pulled the trigger and enter with a nice share size, and but because of the position, because of the location of of the price in the Camarilla pivots, I decided to get all out at 2 to 1. And so after I got out at 2 to 1, um, the stock consolidated a bit and actually formed a little hammer. No volume though, so the volume is not here for an entry long. And but you can see that I would have taken it for the traverse up at 455.50 with a stop loss of 454.50, 455 entry, and a stop loss of 454.50, or just below S3, but safe stop loss will be 454.50. It would have been a nice run to the top side. Yeah, I was just very short bias after this drop, so I expected some continuation and form a double bottom and then go up. But that's all that happened today. You can see that I made it a little on the smallest move, but increasing your risk size is no joke. In terms of record keeping, 1 hour is 1 hour, so it doesn't matter. But psychologically, doubling the size of your risk makes a difference. So all of this is good stuff, and with all of this, not here, and an excellent pre-market prep. Stay away from the chop. Stay away from the chop and executed my plan effortlessly. We did hit goal. The trade we took was B plus. We executed 100%. One trade, one winner, 0 losers, and 2.1 R. Now this is a double the size of previous 1 hours. But for record keeping, it's gonna remain the same. This trade was a continuation of the R3 traverse. And just trying to get used to the new share size, pretty much. So far, doing good this week. Still taking good trades. And that's it for my trading review. I left out a lot of opportunities on the table, but that's because they were not so clean that I could see them in the moment. It wasn't until I realized that we dropped back into the pre-market high and rejected the previous day's value that I realized this was a good opportunity, even if it was against previous day close and the open price. And this S for reversal was a bit risky. So they were two risky trades, but they will have paid off tremendously. And now we are trading higher, but being at the minimum daily goal, I shouldn't really take another trade unless I hit past daily goal. But I'm very happy with these single trades.